Good morning, dear students. I hope you're fine and in good health. And today I'm back with the next lecture about chapter number 6. As we all know, yesterday we did it half, and today we will keep it further. And in yesterday's lecture, I have told you that how they spent their life after their marriage at Brookfield and how everyone liked Miss Catherine and how what influence she had on his personality and how she changed him in a positive way. And we also learned that he was being loved after her marriage because there was a certain change in his attitude as a teacher. He became more frank, more friendly with the students. He became more confident, and he actually started loving and being loved by the students. Now, he was not only respected and honored, he was also being loved. And now we will see that what was the further change in their life after their marriage. Sometimes she persuaded him completely. Brookfield, for example, ran a mission in East London to which boys and parents contributed generously with money but rarely with personal contact. Brookfield was a school which was run on the donations and contributions by the rich people. तो वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा अलाउड नहीं था सोसाइटी के जो क्लासेस थी उनको मिंगल करना. So she put a very new idea, a very new proposal which everyone was not ready initially to accept. अब देखते हैं कि वो क्या था. It was Catherine who suggested that a team from Mission should come up to Brookfield and play one of the school's 11s and soccer. एक ऐसी टीम को बुलाया जाए जो कि सोसाइटी के गरीब बच्चे हैं उनकी टीम होती है, मिशनरी टीम आए और वहाँ आके प्ले करे स्कूल की टीम के साथ. एंड इट वॉज ऑल टुगेदर an impossible thing in that society where rich and poor people cannot get along very well. एक डिवीज़न थी गरीब और अमीर में और स्कूल में, क्योंकि वो एक हाई क्लास स्कूल था, वहाँ पे गरीब बच्चों को बुलाना किसी ने भी उसको एक अच्छा आइडिया कंसिडर नहीं किया इनिशियली. द आइडिया वॉज सो रेवोल्यूशनरी मीन्स न्यू दैट फ्रॉम एनी वन बट कैथरीन इट कुड नॉट हैव सर्वाइव्ड इट फर्स्ट फ्रॉस्टली रिसेप्शन. कि कैथरीन के अलावा किसी ने भी उसको जो है वो एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया शुरू में. टू इंट्रोड्यूस अ ग्रुप ऑफ स्लम बॉयज़ टू द सीरीन इन्वायरमेंट ऑफ बेटर क्लास यंगस्टर्स seemed at first a wanton stirring of all kinds of things that had better be left untouched. स्लम बॉयज़, झोंपड़ी में रहने वाले बच्चों को इतने आलीशान माहौल में लेके लाने का मतलब एक ऐसा आइडिया था जिसको कोई भी मानने को तैयार नहीं था और सभी समझ रहे थे कि इसको आपको सोचना भी नहीं चाहिए. इट इज़ नॉट वर्दी ऑफ इवन बीइंग टच्ड. उसको आप मत सोचें, जस्ट कीप इट अवे फ्रॉम योर माइंड. The whole staff was against it, and school, if its opinion could have been taken, was probably against it too. Everyone was certain that East and lads would be hooligans or else they would be made to feel uncomfortable. या तो वो अच्छी तरह से यहाँ बिहेव नहीं करेंगे या फिर वो अनकम्फर्टेबल फील करेंगे बिकॉज दे आर सो डिफरेंट. दे विल नॉट फिट इन दिस इन्वायरमेंट. Anyhow, there would be incidents and everyone would be confused and upset, yet Catherine persisted. वो अपनी बात पे कायम रही, but everyone suggested that it should be avoided. It should not be taken seriously because it will not be comfortable for anyone. It can be a very unpleasant um, incident or a day if we give it a thought. अगर ऐसा हम करेंगे तो कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा अनप्लेजेंट हो जाएगा कि किसी को भी वो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. Chipsy said they're wrong, you know, and I'm right. I'm looking ahead to the future, they and you are looking back to the past. She talks to her husband and she discusses that आपको पता है कि मैं ठीक बोल रही हूँ, I'm right and they are wrong. All of you are living in past and you want to stick to the past, but I'm talking about future. What can be done for the future to make things better? England isn't always going to be divided into officers and other ranks. ये ऑफिसर्स और निचले रैंक्स में हर वक्त हम इंग्लैंड को क्या आने वाले वक्त में ऐसे डिवाइडेड रखेंगे? इट इज़ नॉट अ गुड थिंग टू डू. एंड दोज पॉपुलर बॉयज़ आर जस्ट एज इम्पॉर्टेंट टू इंग्लैंड एज ब्रुकफील्ड इज़. जितना ब्रुकफील्ड इंपॉर्टेंट है उतना ही वो बच्चे भी इंपॉर्टेंट हैं. You have got to have them here, Chips. You can't satisfy your conscience by writing a check for few guineas and keeping them at arm's length. This is no charity. This is not a good deed to give them money by just signing a check and keep them away from your society. This is no good to do. ऐसा करना ठीक नहीं है कि आप बस पैसे तो दे दें किसी को लेकिन अपने अंदर उनको शामिल ना करें, अपनी सोसाइटी का हिस्सा ना बनाएं। बिसाइड्स दे आर प्राउड ऑफ ब्रुकफील्ड जस्ट एज यू आर, वो भी तो ब्रुकफील्ड पे प्राउड फील करते हैं, बट वाई ब्रुकफील्ड कैन नॉट बी प्राउड टू एक्सेप्ट दैम? ब्रुकफील्ड को भी तो उनको वेलकम करना चाहिए ना। Years hence, maybe boys of that sort will be coming here, a few of them at any rate. कोई ना कोई तो आएगा ना, स्कॉलरशिप पे आ सकते, तो why not now? Chips, do you remember this is the 1897, not 67? ये नया दौर है. When you are up at Cambridge, ये वो वक्त नहीं है जब तुम Cambridge में थे. You got your ideas well stuck in those days, and good ideas they were too. A lot of them, but a few, just a few chips weren't unsticking. Now she says that I agree that you have a conventional thinking, तुम एक पुराने ख्यालात के मालिक हो, एक ऐसे इंसान हो जो अपनी रस्म और रवाज को फॉलो करता है, और तुम्हारे आइडियाज़ मैक्सिमम मेजॉरिटी ऑफ देम आर राइट एंड आई अप्रिशिएट दैम, बट ज़रूरी नहीं है कि तुम्हारे वो सारे के सारे ख्यालात ठीक हों। उनमें से कुछ आइडियाज़ ऐसे हैं जिनको तुम्हें ठीक करने की ज़रूरत है। Rather to her surprise, he gave away and suddenly became a keen advocate of the proposal. वो भी उसको advocate करता है, उसको साथ देता है, and the volte-face was so complete that the authorities were taken unaware and found themselves consenting to the dangerous experiment. जिसको dangerous experiment consider किया जा रहा था, उस चीज़ पे हर कोई agree कर जाता है, क्योंकि मिस्टर चिप्स भी उसका साथ देते हैं उसकी उस स्ट्रगल में। The boys from Poplar arrived at Brookfield one Saturday afternoon, played soccer with the school's second team, were honorably defeated by 7 goals to 5, and later had high tea with the school team in the dining hall. Now what happens? The team comes and there was a match and those boys were defeated by a few scores, and then they had tea, चाय पीते हैं, मैच भी होता है, वो हार जाते हैं उस मैच में लेकिन एक अच्छा टाइम गुजारते हैं. They then met the head and were shown over the school. Chip saw them off at the railway station in the evening. वो स्कूल देखते हैं उसके बाद और हेड से मिलते हैं और मिस्टर चिप्स वहाँ उनको सी ऑफ करने भी जाते हैं. Everything had passed without the slightest hitch of any kind. There was nothing which went wrong. Everything was smooth, and it was clear that visitors were taking away with them as fine as impression they had left behind. Okay, before they came there, everybody was thinking that there will be something unpleasant which will be happening if they come here, but nothing unpleasant happened. They came with a very good impression. Everyone loved to have them there, and they also went from there with a good impression. उनको भी वहाँ आके अच्छा लगता है और उनके आने की भी सबको खुशी होती है. कोई भी ऐसा अनप्लेजेंट वाक्य रोनमा नहीं होता जिसको सब एंटिसिपेट कर रहे होते हैं. They took back with them also the memory of charming woman who had met them and talked to them for once. Years later, during the war, a private stationed at a big military camp near Brookfield called on Chips and said he had been one of the first visiting them. उन्हीं बच्चों में से एक ऐसा बच्चा होता है जो बड़ा होकर ऑफिसर बन जाता है, और एक दफ़ा कोई किसी मिलिट्री कैंप में वो पोस्टेड होता है, वहाँ पे वो मिस्टर चिप्स को मिलता है और वो उनको बताता है कि वो आई रिमेंबर दैट लेडी, शी इज़ योर वाइफ एंड शी इज़ अ वेरी गुड लेडी, एंड ही ऑल्सो प्रेज्ड हर, and he also says that my friends also remember her. Chips gave him a tea and chatted with him till at length, shaking hands, the man said, फिर आदमी इनको क्या बताता है, and how's the Mrs. Sir? I remember her very well. आपकी मिसेस का क्या हाल है? Do you? Chips answered eagerly. Do you remember her? क्या आपको याद है? Rather, I should think anyone would. That nobody can forget her. She's such a good lady. She has such a good personality that nobody will ever forget her once he met her. And Chips replied, they don't, at least not here. कि नहीं, यहाँ किसी को भी वो याद नहीं है मेरे अलावा. Boys come and go, new faces all the time, memories don't last, even masters don't stay forever. Nothing stays forever. यहाँ पे we can sense a sad tone of Mr. Chips that is about the loss of her wife. Since last year, when old Gribble retired, he is the school butler. He has not been anyone here who ever saw my wife. ऐसा कोई भी नहीं है जिसने मेरी वाइफ को देखा हो. अब यहाँ पे कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है, वो सब लोग जा चुके हैं. एंड शी ऑल्सो डाइड लेस दैन अ ईयर आफ्टर योर विजिट. जब आप आए थे उसके 6 months के बाद इन 1908 में उसकी डेथ हो गई थी. नाउ माई डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज़ वेरी sad thing to know because we have seen such a good time they spent together, and now we will feel bad for Mr. Chips. And he says, I'm real sorry to hear that, sir. There's 2 or 3 of my pals anyhow who remember her clear as anything. Though we did only see her, that was, yes, we remember her all right. कि हमें वो याद हैं और वो हमेशा हमारी memories में stay करेंगी. I'm very glad that was a grand day we all had and a fine game too. One of the best days that I have had in my life. Wish it was then and not now. Straight I do. I'm off to France tomorrow. Then he takes his farewell. He takes his permission to go क्योंकि अब उसको जाना है. उनको बताता है कि ओके अब मैं फ्रांस जा रहा हूँ. A month or so later, Chips heard that he had been killed at Shandale. एक ऐसी सिटी में जंग के दौरान उसकी डेथ हो जाती है, वो मारा जाता है और मिस्टर चिप्स को इस चीज़ की न्यूज़ मिलती है. So this was your chapter number 6, girls, and now this is the time to note down the questions of today's assignment. So your question number 1 is, okay, how did Miss Catherine convince Mr. Chips to bring mission school team in the school? Your question number 2 is, when did Miss Catherine die? Okay, so these are your 2 questions for today's assignment. You have to complete your assignments, and if you have any problem, any confusion regarding this lecture, you can ask me in the group, and we will meet tomorrow. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.